Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of Yu-Gi-Oh! Justice Hunters. So without further ado, let's open it and see what we get. Excitement. And to make it more funny, I got the German version. Maybe because it was a bit cheaper too, but we're not gonna tell. We get a K9 YuGiOh. I hope the English name is close enough. Let's see. On to the next one we go. And to make matters even better, there's 3 more boxes in German waiting. How lovely. We have a K9 lantern. It's an interesting thing about the numbers I noticed. No one is pronouncing them. So I won't either. Makes it easy. On to the next one. With a Rahu Drachoschwanz. I'm not gonna try to translate them all, because sometimes translations can be a bit tricky. And also just plain up wrong. We have a Handteufel. On to the next one. So you can learn German. We have a K9 Lupus. That's a decent one. If it was English, it would be even more decent. On to the next pack we go. With a Keks meets Leckerstraße. Let me tell you, some of those names do sound rather silly in German. On to the next one. With a number C102, Archfiend Seraph. Haha. And of course, no more quarters entry secret rares, but Starlight, and in this case also collector rares, another Rahu Drachoschwanz. See, the literal translation for that one would have been Rahu Dragontail. And we have a Becherkatze Lecker. Such a silly name in German. But it's fun every once in a while to delve into the German side of things. We have a K9 werewolf. It's interesting, isn't it? They kept it. Probably because the translator saw the asterisk and decided to leave it as it was. We have a K2 Drachoschwanz. Last pack for the right side. Then we have 12 more. Another Handteufel. And we move to the left side. We have a Drachoschwanz Faimena. Moving on. We have another K2 Drachoschwanz. to the next pack with a K9 Ripper. Also here, not translated. Good job. And whoever translated does. A K9 YuGiOh. But of course the effect texts are translated. Another K9 Werewolf. On to the next one. With a Lolli samt Pote lecker. Moving on. A K9 Lantern. Interestingly enough, the whole K9 does not work in German. K9, nothing to do. Ein Fall für K9. Don't even know what I would translate K9 with. Hundeverwandt. With a K9 Lantern. Hundeartig. So yeah, like I said, doesn't work in German. We have a K9 YuGiOh, and we're down to 2 packs. Let's see what we get. Another K9 Werewolf. I think that's the playset complete. And last pack. With a K9 von Fesseln befreien. And that's it for the box. Look forward to 3 more German Justice Hunters boxes. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.